Brody got a dog for his birthday. Dog from Up. Today we are off to Blizzard Beach. It's already 11:30. We're incredibly late at leaving. We're not doing very well. But we had a really late night last night. So we were just having a nice lazy one this morning. The boys went swimming again in the pool, didn't you? You love swimming, don't you?
And so see if we can find that waterslide when we're and they go into the big swimming pool again.
Yeah, we'll have to find one. Since 2011, so this could be a super fun day. Obviously, I can't really film anything there because I don't want my camera to get wet.
Wait, Mum,
Yeah.
my dog will be very scared on these bars.
Oh no.
So I'll have to take him on the chair with me.
You're going to take him on a chair? Maybe we'll take him in the buggy and we'll leave him in the buggy because we don't want him to get wet, do we?
Oh, I miss my dog. My dog if I leave him on the
Well, you can't leave him in the car because you can't leave dogs in hot cars, can you?
Why can I not?
Because you shouldn't leave dogs in the car.
Well, I can leave a teddy bear dog.
Oh, you can leave a teddy bear dog in the car. We need to do your cake today because we didn't get to do it yesterday, did we?
Why did we not?
And we're going to get a nice takeaway.
Had two.
No, like, so after the beach, Blizzard Beach, we are going to go home, go back to the villa and have a nice takeaway and sing happy birthday and have cake for afters. Yay!
Oh, wait. But my dog will have to have some too.
Dog can have some too. What did we do yesterday? What's your favourite bit?
Going on Splash Mountains.
Going on Splash Mountains? That's your favourite ride ever, isn't it? And then going to
The Sandstone Mine Train.
we got to ride that twice as well, didn't we? Splash Mountain twice and Seven Dwarfs twice. We was very lucky.
Yeah, but we didn't get to ride it's the small world after all twice.
No, but we did get to ride that once, didn't we? And we got to ride Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did it twice.
No, we just rode that once.
Lean back, lean back, lean back. Is it? Good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brody. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.